my name is Ashley. I'm an X-ray technologist. I switched from Microsoft Excel to Numbers, and for more reviews like this, you can click below. So I use these softwares to track my budgeting, as well as while I'm in school to make graphs and charts for tracking data, and they help me to keep everything organized and to visualize the data much more fluently. I like Numbers best because I'm a frequent Apple product user, so it's very easy to access all my documents and my charts and graphs from one of my products to another. It just literally, you just save it and you can access it from any of your Apple products, and I just find the convenience it's so much more worth it than to have to, open up one computer to see a graph or anything like that. So just the ability to see all my saved data from any of my devices is A1. Microsoft Excel has a bit more features than Numbers, which is the only downside. So there's a lot more use of it. It's obviously much more widely known. So everyone mostly uses Microsoft Excel, while Numbers is kind of more only selected for Apple users. But no, Microsoft Excel has a lot more features. It's a lot more, you can do so much more with it, which is the only downside to using Numbers over Microsoft Excel. So Numbers is very easy to pick up. It's a lot more, I said, basic over Excel. It's so much, there's preset, if you're using a graph, using a chart, and you need to make a budget, there's preset templates that you can use. Excel is a little more complex. I remember using Excel in school, so they had to kind of go through a basic lesson. But once you get Excel going, it's great. I'd say the top considerations for these softwares is you want to, obviously, if you're look at what you're using it for. If you're going to be doing some more advanced data processing, you would probably want to go with Excel. If you're going for more basic, easy to use, and really accessible through multi-devices, you would want to go with Numbers.